What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem PSN codes on your PlayStation 5 console. All you need for this method to work is your PS5 console and a Wi-Fi connection. As you guys can see right here, it's 16th of October and this method is working perfectly fine. So the first thing that you want to do in order to redeem codes using this method is head over to the PlayStation Store and scroll all the way to the right until you see these three dots. And then scroll down and select redeem code. And this is where you're going to be typing in your 12-digit code. So I'm just going to type in the code real quick just to show you guys that it does work. And I just wanted to record this video unedited so you guys can see. As you guys can see, it says $15 is the code value, and all you want to do from here on is click on redeem and then hit X on redeem. And as you guys can see right here, it says you've added funds to your wallet. Now it contains $37. So initially I had $22 in my wallet, plus 15. That means I have $37 in my wallet right now after redeeming the code. So like I said, try this out and let me know in the comment section if it does work. I'm gonna go ahead and buy the UFC 5 game using this money. With that being said, thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you